Welcome to today's guided meditation session, focusing on healing and nurturing your inner child. It's easy to neglect the part of ourselves that holds our innocence, creativity, and emotional vulnerability, the inner child. Join me today as we embark on a journey to reconnect with and heal this precious aspect of ourselves. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax without distractions. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation, letting go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Now, imagine yourself standing in a beautiful garden, surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush greenery. Take in the sights, sounds, and scents of this peaceful place. As you begin to feel a sense of calm and tranquility washing over you. As you explore the garden, you come across a small, hidden pathway leading to a secluded spot. Follow this path, and soon you find yourself standing in front of a door covered in vines and flowers. As you enter the door, you see your younger self standing in front of you. Walk towards the child in front of you. Take a moment to connect with your inner child, observing their appearance, demeanor, and emotions with compassion and understanding. Notice how your inner child responds to your presence. Are they happy to see you? Do they have any messages or emotions they want to share with you? Take the time to listen attentively, offering him or her reassurance and love as needed. Hold your inner child by the hand. Invite him or her to join you in a comfortable spot within the sanctuary. A cozy blanket or cushion where you can both sit together in peace under the tree. As you embrace your inner child, feel a sense of warmth and healing energy enveloping both of you, nurturing the bond between your present self and your inner child. With your inner child by your side, take a moment to reflect on any memories or experiences from your childhood that may still hold emotional weight or pain. Allow these memories to surface without judgment, acknowledging the feelings they evoke with compassion and understanding. Assure your inner child that all is good now, and he or she is safe. Now, imagine surrounding yourself and your inner child with a bubble of golden light, a protective shield of love and healing energy. Feel this light permeating every cell of your being, washing away any lingering pain or sadness, and filling you both with a profound sense of peace and acceptance. As you bask in this healing light, take a moment to express gratitude to your inner child for their resilience, creativity, and unwavering spirit. Thank them for their presence in your life, and promise to nurture and protect them always. When you feel ready, gently start to bring your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes and taking a few deep breaths. Know that you can always reconnect with your inner child. Thank you for joining me on this journey of healing and self-discovery. May you carry the love and compassion you've cultivated within your heart as you navigate your path forward. Until we meet again, take care and be kind to yourself.